This is the periodic table. Discuss about d block elements. The differentiating electron enters into d block are known as d block elements. These are also known as transition elements. The d block elements are placed in between s and p block elements. The s block elements is placed left side to the d block elements. The p block elements placed right side to the d block elements. They have four periods. Those are 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D. 3D, 4D, 5D series are most important in d block elements. The 3D period starts from scandium 21 atomic number to zinc atomic number 30. 4D period starts from yttrium atomic number 39 to cadmium atomic number 48. 5D period starts from lanthanum 57, hafnium 72 to mercury 80. The continuation elements after lanthanum is cerium. The cerium to lutetium, those are F block elements. Those are belongs to F block elements. Atomic number 58 to 71 elements are belongs to F block element. Those are placed below the periodic table. Electronic configuration of 3D, 4D, 5D cells. 3D, 4D, 5D periods. The 3D electronic configuration. The general electronic configuration of d block elements are n-1 d 1 to 10 ns 102. This is the general electronic configuration of 3D, 4D, 5D. 3D electronic configuration. The 3D cell starts from scandium to zinc. Atomic number 21 to 30. The near noble gas is argon 18 and then continuous valence cell 3D 4s. The S is missing in this electronic configuration, so observed it. 3D1 4s2. But the anomalous behavior of chromium copper is different because of due to attain off-field or full-field stability. 4D electronic configuration. The 4D starts from yttrium to cadmium, atomic number 39 to atomic number 48. The near noble gas configuration is krypton, that is 36, and then continuous valence shell 4D 5s. The 5D electronic configuration starts from lanthanum, atomic number 57, hafnium, atomic number 72 to mercury, atomic number 80. The elements 58 to 71, those are belongs to F block elements. Because of the differentiating electron enters into 4F. Here the near noble gas configuration is xenon. That is, the atomic number of xenon is 54 and then continuous valency cell. Oxidation states of 3D series. These are the properties of d block elements. Oxidation states of 3D series. The minimum oxidation state is from S block. The total number of electrons present in S block is minimum oxidation states of 3D. The maximum oxidation states of 3D is the total addition of 3D and 4s electron. So, the electronic configuration increases from scandium to magnesium and then decreases. Highest oxidation state of d block elements is 8. Osmium containing +8 oxidation state. In 3D series, maximum electronic configuration having manganese, that is +7. You observed it. Magnetic properties of d block elements. Paramagnetic property, diamagnetic property, ferromagnetic properties. What is paramagnetic property? Substances which are weakly attracted into the magnetic field are known as paramagnetic substances. The substance is placed in a external magnetic field. The substance is which are weakly attracted by the magnetic field. Those are known as paramagnetic substances. They have unpaired electrons. Titanium plus 3, Cr plus 3, Mn plus 2 having unpaired d electron. So those are belongs to paramagnetic. Diamagnetic property of d block elements. Substances which are repelled by the magnetic field are known as diamagnetic property. Titanium plus 4, Zn plus 2 having paired electrons. Those are not having unpaired electrons. So these are belongs to diamagnetic property. Ferromagnetic property. These are strongly attracted by the magnetic field. The substance which is placed in the external magnetic field, then the substance is strongly attracted by the magnetic field. Iron, cobalt are examples of ferromagnetic substances. These are the magnetic properties of d block. Next one, catalytic properties of d block elements. Catalytic properties of d block element. The catalyst increase the rate of reaction. Hydrogenation of oils use nickel. D block elements are used as catalyst in chemical reactions. Hydrogenation of oils use nickel catalyst. Synthesis of ammonia in Haber's process use iron. Synthesis of nitric acid in Ostwald process use platinum as a catalyst. Synthesis of H2SO4 sulfuric acid in contact process use vanadium pentoxide as a catalyst. Decomposition of bleaching powder use cobalt is a catalyst. Decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, manganese dioxide is used as catalyst. So d block elements are used as catalysts. Ability to form complexes. Transition elements exhibit strong tendency to form complex compound with molecules like carbonyls, ammonia, nitrosyls and ions like fluorine, chlorine, fluoride ion, nitrate ion and cyanide ion. Ions of transition metal have small size, large charge and suitable electronic configuration and they can form complexes easily. Okay, ions of transition metal have small size, large charge, having suitable electronic configuration and they can form complexes easily. D block elements forms complexes easily having small size and large charge. Okay, the stability of complexes increases with increases of atomic number of transition metal. The stability of complexes increases with increases of atomic number. Okay, these are the properties of d block element. Electronic configuration, oxidation states. Various oxidation states are possible in d block elements, and then magnetic properties and catalytic properties, ability to form complexes. This is the d block elements.